Welcome aboard the IT Journey rocket. Today, we'll explore some supercharged tips to launch you into coding success. Buckle up, my friend, because it's going to be a ride like no other. First things first, let's plan our epic coding adventure. Just like a brave explorer, you need a roadmap to success. So, set those short-term and long-term goals, and remember, make them super specific. The more precise, the better. Time is our precious ally. Let's supercharge our coding progress by going into flash coding mode. Crush those challenges, ace those projects, and do it all in half the time. You're unstoppable. Books, our magical gateway to coding wisdom. But here's a secret trick. First, speed read to grasp the concepts. Then dive deep, explore every nook and cranny, and become a true coding bookworm with superpowers. To become a coding superstar, we need to hit the training ground. Practice, practice, and more practice. Take on coding exercises like a boss, and remember, compare your solutions with the best to level up. English, the universal coding language. Master it and you'll open a treasure chest of knowledge. Go global, connect with coders worldwide, and become a true coding citizen of the world. Time to sharpen those soft skills, my friend. It might feel like a foreign language at first, but fear not. Embrace the challenge, practice your ninja moves like public speaking and persuasion, and conquer it like a pro. Now let's tap into the magic of imagination. Take time each day to ponder, reflect, and let your creativity run wild. The coding world eagerly awaits your genius ideas. You've got the plan, the determination, and the wit. It's time to embark on this coding adventure like true legends. So go out there, create wonders, and make the coding universe bow to your brilliance. Remember, my fellow coders, the journey might be tough, but so are you. Together, we'll rock this coding world and make it our own. Thanks for joining me on this coding adventure. If you enjoyed this journey, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep coding and keep exploring.